Hi, great that you have returned to our Axalta Tech Tips for Paint Defects tutorial. My name is Harald Klöckner from Axalta Refinish Europe, and today's paint defect topic is bird droppings. Each of us who drives a car knows this scenario quite well. You have parked your car and when returning you notice a surprise present left for you. A bird has left his greetings on your car. In general, this is not an issue, apart from the fact that it doesn't look nice. But it can turn into a serious problem for the durability of your paintwork if it's left for too long. Bird droppings can result in a chemical attack, which can penetrate the paint film and can cause various issues from light swelling or staining up to a complete destruction of the paintwork, and can even affect OEM-baked coatings. Depending on the breed of bird, but even more importantly its diet and source of food like waste, fertilized crops, insects and food contaminated with pollutants, the droppings will, when combined with moisture and heat in the environment, enhance the severity of the initial damage. Let's have a closer look at the damage we have on this car. The bird dropping was left for too long and the organic acid in the excretion of the bird penetrated deeply into the paint film. We can see already the surface or undercoat layer of this paint coating. When the area is viewed under the microscope, it can be clearly seen that the damage extends to the substrate and all stages of the paint film. Not only the clear coat and base coat, but also the surface and primer layer are already destroyed. So, how can we protect our cars and prevent this issue from happening? First of all, try to avoid parking under trees and park your car in the garage if available. If you notice any bird droppings on your car, remove immediately by using water and soap. Clean the affected spot thoroughly and ensure no residues are left on the surface. If the bird droppings are already dried out, you might need to dissolve the bird droppings carefully with water and a sponge in order to wipe it off. Protect your car frequently with high quality wax polish. This will not completely prevent bird droppings penetrating into your paint coating, but makes it much more difficult. Finally, let's see how we can fix such an issue. If there's just a mild swelling or staining, the damage can be sanded with fine abrasive like P1200 up to P1500. Refine and polish. But if the clear coat is already irreparably damaged, repainting is needed. Check and determine the scope and depth of the damage and remove all affected layers by sanding. In our case, we have to remove the entire paint coating down to the zinc layer of the substrate and rebuild the complete paint film and refinish the bonnet. Thanks for watching, and we are looking forward to see you again in one of our Axalta Paint Defect episodes.